What do you got? Huh? What is it? What is that? What you got? What is it? Is it good? Cracker? Say cracker. Thank you for cleaning up your mess. Thank you. Is it a yummy cracker?
No.
No. No? Not yummy? Is it yummy? Oh, the whole thing? Oh. Would you like something to wipe your hands? Want to wipe your hands? I think you should wipe your hands. Look at your hands, so dirty. Look at the other one. Look at your hand. Look at your hand. The other one. That hand. You have two hands. 1, 2. Love you. You gonna get down? You want down?